Good afternoon, my YouTube friends. Monica here with MyWyoStyle. Remember, God loves you. I was going to go ahead and continue baking. I just got done baking the hubby some chocolate chip cookies, and I was thinking maybe some peanut butter mousse with a cookie crumb crust. This is going to be a no-bake dessert. I don't know if it's going to come out, but we're going to make it work. So come along with me. Okay guys, for some reason my video camera wasn't working. This is 1 1/4 cup of almond flour, 1 1/4 cups, 3 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, 1/4 cup of Carmel unsweetened coffee syrup, 2 teaspoons of Carmel Extract. You can use vanilla if you don't have it. And I browned 4 tablespoons of butter. And if you ever made a dessert with browned butter, it is absolutely amazing. I also put in a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Actually, I put in 1/4 heaping cup of chocolate chips in it because this is going to be the mousse, peanut butter mousse, and I'll show you how to get this done. I am going to cream together 1/2 cube of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, a 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, and another teaspoon of the caramel extract. That peanut butter is sticky. Oh, sorry about that. Then after I get this mixed in really well, I'll come back and put the heavy cream in there, and I'll keep whipping it until I get some stiff peaks out of it. Now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Well, at least it came out pretty thick. Didn't know if it was going to work or not. If you guys are peanut butter lovers, you can always add more peanut butter to this mousse. I'm just going to spread it out. Sometimes my creations come out, sometimes they don't. We're trying to do low sugar desserts these days. Try to keep our health up, especially with the last couple of years. It's been a little rough. And then I'm going to top it off with some chocolate chips and maybe some walnuts. Can't have too many chocolate chips. Maybe I'm just going to leave it just like this. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I hope you try this dessert. Super easy to put together, and I bet it tastes absolutely amazing. If I remember when I serve this tonight, I will get another video for you. Thank you guys for watching the video, and as always, may God bless you.